Last year's iPad Pro range brought significant changes to the flagship iPad Duo, as well as an upgraded MiniLED display on the 12.9-inch model. Apple introduced its desktop-class processor, the Apple M1, to the range, allowing the tablets to perform tasks usually exclusive to MacBooks and iMacs. Impressive though that was, Apple is hard at work on the next iPad Pro ranging behind closed doors. With the iPad Pro 2021 now around a year old, Apple is expected to release an update soon, though not as soon as some might hope. One of the most prevalent rumors right now is arguably one of the most obvious. The 11-inch iPad Pro 2022 is expected to match the 12.9-inch model's mini LED display. After missing out on the tech in the 2021 range, the news comes from the eerily accurate Ming-Chi Kuo, suggesting in a July 2021 note to investors that the iPad Pro 11-inch and MacBook Air will both get the mini LED upgrade in 2022. Twitter leaker Dylan Katie also believes that mini LED will be present on both models, stating that all iPad Pro models will have a mini LED display in a late January 2022 tweet. As we have seen from the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2021, the upgraded display tech is a huge step forward from the standard LCD display used by previous generation tablets. It allows more control over contrast with truly inky blacks, produces vibrant colors, and is impressively bright too. In fact, the tech advisor editor Jim Martin described the mini LED display as phenomenal in his 4.5-star iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2021 review. The UnderDisplay Face ID is a little more out there, and chances are it won't be on the 2022 model. But there are rumors that Apple could be bringing UnderDisplay camera and Face ID technology to the iPad Pro before it makes its debut on the iPhone. Speaking on a July 2022 episode of the Mac Rumors show, display analyst Ross Young suggests that it's possible that UnderDisplay Face ID could appear on an iPad before an iPhone, due mainly to the technology being easier to introduce under a larger display with a smaller pixel density. He also notes that it's more feasible simply because there are few iPads manufactured than iPhones, making it easier to introduce and scale over time. Young is confident about the tech too, suggesting it could make an appearance in an iPad as early as next year, well before the 2026 model of iPhone. Young currently believes will be the first to sport the UnderDisplay tech. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities news.